Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix and clear the 1LC1 and LC1 leak codes from your Samsung washing machine. Pull your machine away from the wall and tip it backwards far enough so that you can crawl under the front to the access hole.
You can see these two sharp points coming through. Those are the screws that hold the water sensor in place, and they're Phillips screws on the top. You get a Phillips screwdriver up through this access hole here, reach down and unscrew them. If they're kind of hard to get to, you could actually grab the tips with a pair of pliers and twist them a little bit to break them loose, and then make them easier to unscrew on a bad angle. But there's another set of screws over here on this side, there and over there, and there's a water sensor over there too. The one on the left is sensor number 2, and the one on the right, when you're standing in front of the machine, is sensor number 1. We reached back up in there with fingers, and we could feel quite a bit of water and moisture under there. Wiping it all off. It's a really small sensor, just a little loop with a couple of wires going to it.
You can get these online at eBay or from an appliance dealer for under $30, or you can even get used ones for about $11. Usually you don't even need to replace them though.
So we reach our paper towel in there, we wipe it all off, clean it good, wipe off around it so there's no chance the water is gonna run back down and make it wet again right away. And we're going to try wiping it off first. If that doesn't work, you can replace it easily. The part online, you can get it on eBay for under $15. Now I'll put a link to the part number down in the description of the video, so if you need this part you can get it easily. But this is a pretty easy do-it-yourself repair that anyone can do. We need to look at the root cause though, which is water leaking down on the system, and we'll show you where that comes from in just a second here. Alright, let me just show people here. On the top washer, the softener cup, you look down in here and you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's water stuck in the cup. It's not draining out properly. So what you do is you get a hold of this little tab on this overflow tab here, and you wiggle it back and forth and pull it out. And once you get it out, you can see that center stem is where the clog develops at. You need to pour some scalding hot water down through that little hole to help flush out the accumulated soap, and do that. Do it a few times until it drains out easily, and that will prevent water from backing up in this cup and flowing over down into the bottom of the machine. You should do the same thing on these front ones here too. Each of these little caps on here will come off
and allow you to access the hole underneath and clean it out thoroughly. I hope you found this video helpful. Check the description if you need the part number for the water sensor. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out with your repair project. Have a great